Kobee bird. Now be good, okay? Everybody will take care of you, okay? Hi. So here's a cage. Hi. Who's a good birdie? 这边打开. So we open here. Watch out, because he might bite. Here. Okay. Yeah, watch out, huh? So watch your hand. Okay, so here we open. Well, actually, we don't open. Sorry about that. Okay, we don't open the cage. So you change water. We open through this opening. You pull back, and then you can remove it, okay? And then when you pull out, and then you change the water at the kitchen sink. Make sure to close it when you're gone to the kitchen. That way he won't try to come out. And here is the food. So every other day you fill it up, and then the food is here. So you scoop it and you put in here. You can put almost to the top, and then on the bottom you pull out the tray and change the newspaper. Okay, so we have newspaper here and also in the garage. Okay, good birdie. Thank you. Oh, and also please close the door like as we're leaving so the kitties don't try to eat the bird. So we go like this and we close the door. Okay, thank you.